As you can see on this window, I took most of them off, and it was a little difficult to figure out at first, but you have to be very fragile with them because you could break either the blind. See, the blind has a little slot in the top, and that's where the clip goes through. And this is the clip. There are several kinds of clips. If yours looks like this, I'm going to show you the easiest method of getting these off. So you take a close look on that clip. So the idea is the blind slides up and hooks onto that little hook in there, and you want to separate that and slide the blind out. So the easiest method is to get a little screwdriver like this, a little small one. You can see that. And you want to hold it up top because that keeps it steady. And you stick the screwdriver in here, you push up kinda, twist it, and then slide it out. Did you see that? Let's do it again. We're gonna slide the screwdriver in, twist it, then slide out. Like I said, you don't want to break the clips because it would be a problem, especially if you broke a middle clip, but they are available online. You can get them, or you might have to call a professional in to take care of them if you got a good set. Okay, on this side of the house, we have a newer type. Actually, it's the same style. You can see it, they're newer, but they're very easy to get off because they're thinner, a little cheaper, but... And the idea is put that screwdriver in there, twist the screwdriver, and at the same time lift up and then slide it back, and it will come out. All right. Put it in, lift up a little bit, twist, slide.